Hello, so what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be discussing about in this video is the tgin. Thank God it's natural green tea super moist leave-in conditioner with green tea and arganol in it. And it has, none of that bad stuff, no sulfates, no mineral oil, artificial flavors, animal testing, and so on and so forth. Anyway. So TGIN, as you know, it's a all natural hair care line. So you starting on your natural hair natural journey. I can't even get it out. Then this is one of the brands that I definitely highly recommend. I pretty much have most of the basics of their stuff just because I love how it works together. But I'll go into full detail with other products. But this one, I'm just going to talk about this bad boy right here. So anyway, when you do, get the bottle, whatever, it normally comes in a black background, but it's pink, and if you know why, yep, definitely supporting, definitely. So I had to get the pink one to support. You know what I'm saying? It's teamwork. Help each other grow. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, so as it says in the bottle, it's a lightweight moisturizing leave-in conditioner for all hair types. So it doesn't discriminate if you just have curly hair, if you have kinky curly hair, if you have coily hair, if you have wet hair. It's all hair types. Okay, so I absolutely love this product. For one, it has a really light scent, but it smells refreshing. It smells really fresh. It's not something that overbearing or the scent is like super strong. It's really light, but it's nothing where you have to where it's like you don't hardly smell anything. Like it's like nothing in here. Like no, you're gonna smell something. It smells, if anything, it smells fresh. In my opinion, it just has that really light, scented, fresh smell. Like your hair just got washed. That's what it smells like from this. And my hair loves this. Oh man, my hair definitely loves it. It's just when I go to sleep, I gotta find some routines or something to get my hair from stop being so big throughout the night and frizzy or whatever. But I just started back on my natural hair care routines, so it's kind of like it's been some years, and so it's like but anyway, but since it's light, in my opinion, my hair likes it. It doesn't really, to me, it doesn't weigh my hair down at all. I literally probably use this bottle about maybe 3 to 4 times a week, just because of my hair. It gets really big throughout the night, which I love. It's just that I like to make sure that the moisture is still in it. I'm not saying that it doesn't leave like any moisture in it, but at the night, and I have a satin pillowcase and all that, but at night it's just that I don't know, maybe I'm just sleeping too rough and it just gets super duper big, and I like just to put something on it to define it frizz a little bit if I don't want it like real big. I mean, covering the eyeball, just huge. So yeah, I use this about 3 to 4 times a week, and what I do is I part my hair in 4 sections, and this is when I apply it anyway, when I just wash my hair. And I get a good amount of this bad boy, and I slap it in my hair and work it through. My fingers were a comb or in a brush, and I'll definitely talk about that too. And it just leaves it really soft and just manageable, and just my hair loves it. Like, when your hair loves a product. And these are the ingredients on the back, and it tells the story behind of the beautiful lady that created. Thank God it's natural. And then it definitely gives you instructions on, instructions on how to apply the product to your hair and stuff like that. Now, and I am not left-handed, even though if I practice, I'm pretty sure I could be. So yeah, it kind of has like that lightweight, lotion-y look to it. I mean, it's leave-in conditioner, but I don't know. Some leave-in conditioners are a little heavier than others, so. But it's not really watery down, not watered down at all, like where it looks just like water. And then it doesn't leave your hair greasy. And this definitely doesn't with my hair now. And my hair is big. Slap some of my hair as we speak so I don't waste some of that good product. Anywho. So yeah. I love this line, and I love this product. I love it. That makes my hair just so soft. Just, oh my goodness. But yeah, if you want to find it, you're like, wait a minute, it's pink, or wait a minute, it's white. It's the same thing. I was kind of like double looking to make sure it was the same ingredients, whatnot. But pink, I understand why it's pink. So again, this is the tgin. Thank God it's natural green tea super moist leave-in conditioner with green tea and argan oil in it. Thumbs up.